All I wanted to say was that I thought Sacramento cops were cool. If you guys watch my recent videos, I always say in the video, man, Sac cops are cool. I trust them. I guess our trust is broken today. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome to another video. A video I never wanted to do, but it was unavoidable. It is kind of avoidable, but your boy officially got state reffed with the G35 after 5 years, bro. Like, and it was the dumbest, like, alright guys, so I know you guys probably have a ton of questions. Before I show you guys the footage and all that, real quick in the comment section below, whatever the violations I tell you, let me know if, like, what I should do, because I've been tripping all day, man. Like I said, like, I don't know, guys. It's just my first time and I'm kind of going through with this, so I'm kind of like, man, dude, what am I gonna do? Want to do this, but it's probably not as bad as I think, but it could be bad. I don't know. But in the comment section below, when I tell you guys the violations, let me know what I could do. Second of all, let me tell you guys real quick the backstory of what happened, what was going on, and then I'll show you guys the video. I'm not gonna take too much of your time. Basically, today is Saturday. I was gonna go over, I live in Sacramento. I live like in Sacramento right here, downtown area, and I was going over to Elk Grove, which is around 30 minutes from me, and I was gonna go over to my friend Roberts. His name is Ghost Flash. He has like a wide body Genzilla. Here's a picture of his car. Very beautiful car, very loud car, very amazing. So I was gonna go over to his house. He's like an electrician specialist, and he was gonna help me freaking install my gauges and wire everything and make everything nice, right? So I was gonna go over to his house. The plan was to go over to his house at 11 a.m., right? That was the plan. So I'm driving on I-80 real quick, like you guys next to the Walmart. For those of you guys who know where I live, like Walmart area, Truxell, trying to get the joint to I-5 South so I could go to Elk Grove. So literally, bro, literally the freeway I-80 is about to join. Like you go either I-5 South or I-5 North. You can split. This boy is on the right lane. He can only go I-5 North that way. Oh, I don't know why I'm pointing at. He's gonna only go this way. I'm going south, so I'm going this way. Literally the merge point is this front camera right here. We're going like this. This Corolla tries to merge to my lane, cuts me off, so I hit the brakes, cuts me off. He goes, and so I match up with the cop, and then the cop just like literally at the joint, he hits the brakes, and then I go like this. I am merging, he hits the brakes, and then he goes this way with me. He goes behind my car. Literally a car in front of me cut me off, and this boy still decided to, I'm gonna focus on this car. I mean, it's purple, but still, like, he gets behind me, and you already know when cops get behind you, you already know the story. You're just waiting. You're just looking at their back mirror, your rear mirror. You're just looking at when is that boy gonna turn on his lights. We take the whole curve, merging to the I-5. As soon as we merge, whoop, this boy flicks on the lights. I pull over, and well, this is where this carries on. It's looking bad, boys. We saw him too. We should have hella avoided him. Usually I try to be confident with the cops, just like don't act suspicious and stuff. He slowed down, pulled over next to me, pulled me over, tints, exhaust. Everything else is stock pretty much, so I don't know what's gonna happen, man. He seems pretty chill, but at the same time, I don't think he's chill enough to like let me go by. I don't know, but we'll see what happens. Well, whoever guessed like a week, maybe, y'all got it right, a week. Man, I honestly thought it was gonna go way longer, but I mean, it is what it is.
You want to shut your car off for me?
Yeah.
So the reason for stops a few things, okay? One, your exhaust. Two, your tent.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you do me a favor? Pop your hood for me. Come on out. Safely come on out. Pop your hood.
Yeah, of course. When he was talking to me, he pointed out my license plate. Completely understandable. He pointed out the taillight tint. I understand that. Pointed out the tints on the side, the front, everything. Popped up the hood, look at my manifold. I didn't have no EOS sticker. I don't know what the hell that is, to be honest. But he only docked me down for the exhaust. And emissions, I don't know if that has to do with the manifold, but either way, he told me I have to take a smog test again. I'm gonna give him a 3 out of 10. He was a cool cop. He was a cool cop, but man, why did he stop me? That's the thing. That's my question in theory. All right, guys, so at this point, I got the ticket. I still went over to my friend's house. My girlfriend said that the cop told me that I could either go home or I could go to work. Either or. I remember last time that I could either go home or go to a workshop to fix it, but I don't know. I just wasn't thinking at the time, but I don't know how it is. but it seems kind of odd that I could take it to work, right? At this point, I still ended up at my friend's house. We ended up installing the gauges because I was still gonna go through with it. I'm still gonna boost the car July 31st, so I have to go with it. And so I'm gonna have to resolve this ticket here very, very soon because my tune day is on July 31st. But either way, I'm gonna bring that video to you guys next video so you guys can see how we installed that. But these are the violations and more in depth of the ticket. All right, y'all, so we just got pulled over. To go ahead and read to you guys what happened. But overall, he's a pretty chill guy. I mean, if he was really chill, he wouldn't give me the ticket. But I mean, but anyways, he did mention a lot of stuff. He popped my hood, you know, the classic. But this is what he docked me for. We got code in section 27156. Got modified emissions. I'm pretty sure that either has to do with my exhaust or that has to do with the manifold up front. He got me only two things. The modified emissions, which I think is the manifold in the front. And then he got me for loud exhaust, advised 24004 VC. I don't know. But he got me two things. I'm pretty sure it was the manifold and the loud exhaust. My exhaust isn't even that loud, is it? Nah, huh?
Well, I mean, I know when you're coming down the street, but...
I mean, like, it's loud, but like
but
when
like,
it wants to be loud, but...
Man, you don't sound like a damn Mustang
yeah,
or Charger.
That
sound
or...
freaking ugly, no offense to the people that own it. But it's not that loud.
Anyways, overall, it could have been worse, but I mean...
He said you can drive to work.
He said?
Yeah, he said you can drive this car only to work and back home. You can't drive it nowhere else. I'm not sure if you got it on your phone, but I remember him saying that you're only allowed to drive this car to work and back home. You can't drive it nowhere else.
Maybe he said drive it back home or to a workshop.
No, he said like work. He didn't say workshop. He said work.
I don't think that's how it goes.
I swear to God, that's what I heard.
Usually they tell you like either take it home or take it to a mechanic shop.
He said you can take it to work.
Really?
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Hey guys, we're gonna visit EJ's car. He just got recently State Reff a week ago. But he got cited for like 34 citations, man. He got a whole book. My cops.
Oh hell yeah!
Oh yeah, man. Hell yeah, State Reff. Get the fuck out of here, man.
And he saw my flex fuel kit, bruh. Like, what the fuck?
Yeah. Honestly, I thought that would just be part of the car, not even lying.
He was looking at my full downpipe, but he can't see that shit though, cause it was a hell of
You can't see shit in here.
Pretty much looking at the 400Z right here, bro.
Right here.
That was a ticket. I don't know, man. Right now, I'm just super exhausted. I've been over at the friend's house trying to install these gauges. I'm tired. It's hot, and I don't know what to do with this ticket. I wouldn't say I'm freaking out. I'm freaking the hell out right now, bro. Like, I don't know what to do. So down in the comment section below, brothers, just help me out a little bit, like what I could do in this situation. But yeah, even though, I mean, maybe this was a blessing under disguise. The car is making a loud clunking noise, not from the motor, from the suspension. We already figured it out. We took it to my mechanic, and he notices the compression arms. So those are shot, man. It makes a horrible noise, and I'm gonna bring that video to you guys, and I'm gonna show you the exact problem and the noise. So don't worry, I'm gonna show you all that. But it's really bad, so I don't want to drive it no more. But I mean, I can't no more because I got State Reff. So let me know down in the comment section below. Help me out, brothers. If you guys have hookups or something, help a brother out. And that's that, guys. I'll catch you guys next video. Next video is gonna be the gauge installation. I have installed the air fuel ratio and the oil pressure gauge, so we'll show you that. And then after that, Wednesday, my compression arm should come in home, and we're gonna go ahead and repair this G35 and have a brand new suspension. It should be running really, really good. Actually, I need some new ball joints as well, but they're fine for now. I mean, they're not making any noise. But besides that, guys, I'll catch you guys later. Stay tuned. We're gonna carry on with this G35, man. Don't worry, we're still gonna boost it. Hopefully things go through. We're still gonna try to get a 400. We're not gonna try, we're gonna get a 400Z, bro. The car's gonna be beautiful. I need to get one. So I'll catch you guys next video. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna edit this video. I'm tired. I'm gonna eat some fried chicken, and I just want to go to sleep right now because tomorrow's Sunday. We gotta watch the Logan Paul fight. There's a car show in the morning. I have a soccer game at 12, and I don't know what to do. So I'll catch you guys next video. Peace out, homies. Love you guys. Be distinct.